Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a very delicious and aromatic chicken curry. All the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First, place a pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Next, add a small piece of cinnamon, a small piece of mace, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, and 5 dried chilies. Mix it all together and fry about 1 minute. Now add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 5 green chilies and 1 cup of chopped onions. Stir these well until they become soft and fragrant. While that frying, let's prepare our fresh curry powder. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 5 cardamom and 3 cloves, some cinnamon and curry leaves. Roast these over low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes until they turn golden brown. Once roasted, grind them into a powder using a grinder. No need to make it a very fine powder. Now back to our onion mixture. It's fried perfectly. Add some pandan leaves, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Fry this for about a minute. Next, add 500 grams of clean chicken and mix well. Now add our fresh curry powder we made earlier and give it a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Mix everything together. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add half a cup of thick coconut milk. Top it off with some fresh curry leaves. Let it simmer for another 3 minutes because of the coconut milk. Our delicious chicken curry is now ready. Do try this at home and let me know how it tastes. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.